So I've been thinking about a dress. It's also $450. I bought red PVC from my local fabric store, and it was actually pretty cheap. It's not real latex, but who cares? It's thinner and easier to sew. So as the amazing seamstress that I am, I used the best way to make a fitted pattern that I knew. Yes, I got my housemate to cover me in cling film. Just put masking tape over the top, draw the lines of the dress and cut out as best as you can without tearing the cling film. I transferred the pieces to craft paper so it's easier to trace onto the fabric. Please make a mock-up first because you don't want to waste fabric. I sewed the boob cups first and then the front piece, and then sew them together. At this point I also made 2 thin strips of PVC and sewed them around the bottom of the cup so I could slide the underwire in. The back pieces were sewed together, and then the front and the back as well. Line up the back pieces with the right side facing you, and then sew the invisible zipper onto the dress. Every time I sew one of these I have to get a tutorial up because I forget which way is the right way. To hem the edges, as PVC is a slippery ass fabric and I don't have the right foot for it, I wrapped the edges in greaseproof paper and the needle slid through without getting jammed. The straps were made with 2 strips of PVC folded in on each other, so the rough edges were hidden. More greaseproof paper and a lot of somewhat satisfying tearing later, I had 2 straps for the dress. I hand stitched them onto the garter buckles and hand stitched them onto the top of the boob cup, because I do not trust myself to machine stitch that. You have to put on the dress to judge where to put the straps at the back, but I don't think it looks so bad seeing as I have no idea what the back of the dress looks like. And there's the finished dress. I made thigh-high boot covers with the leftover fabric because I have too much time on my hands, which I should be spending on uni work.